Asibre was done. Mure was done. I saw my dear Chien.
Sompa 93.1.
Touch a man that my dream. And Tim Monsieur. And I Mure was done. What do my father? Come on, father. See a dear. What do my father?
Sompa 93.1.
And in morning, I called you someone was shameful, dear. I'm out from me, dear, called it, dear. And in morning, I come over here. What do my father? I'm a dear chin. Oh, mother was what? Say don't know anyone quack at us on.
Sompa 93.1.
I've been one campamu. Don't know anyone won't quack at us on. Been one than your tears, will. I've been no so flat as if once I see. I don't know my brother. That's a test, yeah, but you are a year. Yeah, right. But you are a year. What do you want for? My bad, you won't come for. Can be a jay? Oh, come on, for Minister Play flowers. I am with the friends and a better tooth. Many am a bay. Say, share, no, I don't know what brown we cock at us, and I don't know what brown can't yes. Kodaya dayo ya daya Baya nyana na wanya mi cry mo Ujina ya ni fansa Dobere mabi Odi mafwe umado asa Ajadu asyo Se waje sama dia chinti na majiwa yenye ayeye saw kana nsoto ase ani muani ajabu maba sawo komu na nwini yo wonwini yansa na ukomu obinimo Obi wa wosia Obi ni mu nyamia Blaya de nyimu Ablaya de nwino wo Obi ni mu Obi amawe Oso nyami bi ni babi Anana pa mi tontomo wo Flower dress. I am so I'm on the parchment. And then you blame it on Tomo. My comfort. I am so I'm on me. I am so maybe I am in a sermon. I am so it's in common. I Tonton wa fata. Ye David Yasinamwe. Sa crunch. Municipal wa radio. Amadanas. Menema busianyina. Atonton yamia danasio. Mafwe. Ajaye wa yeni. Ye wa yeni yo. Yeni. Yeni.
Sompa 93.1.
Ye wa yeni. One mafwa wa yeni yo. Ura wa yeni. Miura.
Sompa 93.1.
Sempa chichi mirire mamiji die nyaji mikrada nyamiasi nadiche jie kesi.
The aye na sin and drum beko dumma hingwana any man of pay. Jiri se wo ye pa men so me ho ye esanse ne mobro hu na doye ene ne hwe sopa ena akra ya bepem dongre yi. Odom fo ne mobro hu fo ne wasafo awrade. Why be a my and it's done die the aye and I see called Dumma in one and Tiano Pace. I want to me or Sompa 93.1. Join me also live on Facebook. That is Sompa 93.1 Facebook, and on YouTube is Sompa TV. Subscribe and be part of the family. Be part of the ish in town. Be part of a new era of radio and television in Ghana. Omanhene Yaw, Boakye, your man in the morning. You've just joined us on television, you've not missed it. That's a Sompa TV. Sounds also, and we are live on Sompa online across the globe. Catch our Dofo say, Emrena Asso, Abono Numa Pound meeting me and Sa, Emra Society Food for Thought, ever bro. Today, I want to have a discussion with couples. I want to have a discussion with couples, and I mean couples. And I've termed it couples retreats. And then the topic is a bit long, but it's very simple. And to be minimum of chassis and the design community, Frau Dofu Bignano, the catcher and the same rason. Wow, I want to so marry, you know. See, being a drew on my own, so they are both questions. And today, questions we are going to ask. Okay. Now, everybody can cry on Facebook, Dada. Thomas Donko say he's watching us all the way from Israel. Oh, I don't pay with his share bread. From Tel Aviv. Gladys Lankwe says he's watching us from Bogoso. Danny Coleman, good morning, watching you live from Ahafo Kenya, number 2. Prince Kojose Omanhene Yaw, I they watch you from Tamale. You are too much. My brother, you are also too much, Kojo. Edunyame Steven. Thank God for this new week. Oh yes, we will bless His holy mighty name. And Gifty Jay says Sompa and people of Ghana can't go out without listening. Watching live from Netherlands. Thank you. Across the globe, we are there. Good morning, Omanhene. We give praise to God for His goodness towards us. It's a new week. Bless the name of the Lord. Felix says, good morning. Nanaya Nima Beche Boakye. Okay. Charity Mensa is here. Nana Bafwa is watching us already from UK, Redditch. And then Prince Sejbe Weather. Nanaya Abanek. Okay, Nanaya Abanek, he's in Qatar. Ajama Lawrence is all the way from Italy, Brescia, also watching us live. And then Don Ike Boateng is in Milton Keynes in the UK. And then Nanefia Afrahima PSA also Omanhene is, you know. I love that. You people, I love you so much. Let me blow you kisses this morning. Kofi Owusu says he's watching from Oshim. Nana Kosia Sewa Koto says it's a beautiful, blessed morning. Thank God we are all alive. Robert Mensah Edumoja is here. And I know Owusu is watching us live from Italy. And Kofi Owusu says fantastic show. Okay. You can also place your comment quickly as we get ready to hit the ground running. All right. Akosia Fosia says, good morning, Uncle Omanhene, watching from Amsterdam. Francis Asari. George from Estonia. Why I'm able to go in and say, one I want to return to do no, may Juma Society. So, Ghana Hana, sister, you are Mononino Timia. Just send the link to her or to him, your brother. I'm a parent who said more share. It will be a share. Please don't stop. Just keep sharing. Keep sharing. Okay. I want to do my power meetings here. Now you shall see them. Anunti
me crack down on me.
Lydia Echapo says good morning. And Eric Boakye says he's watching us live from Complex. Okay. And I didn't come on Bedi Anope. God instituted marriage. And He did it so nicely. Our dear said you should come and endure marriage. God created marriage to be enjoyed. Obo nipa wie ya okase ensese onipa nko abetna also nyano seso boafo. You see, in this life there are a lot of people that are married. Nyame asema oka no, they couldn't get the two. Obo onya obi oya ne seso na so onya ne boafo. But I would rather get somebody oya me boafo than oya me seso. Seso ne say ofata no. Obi ehuna ukuru die. Obi ahuna oba papa bi no aware no na ho ofe ni bibia bibia fa no bia di adanse say yes ray osipisi tabrante obosi ogina so oya ne seso kama that's onya ne boafo. There so many marriages are checked. Let's go to Genesis chapter 2, verse number 24. Genesis 22, 2 verse 24. That is why a man, give me King James Version, please. I want King James Version. Thank you very much. Okay. What does the King James Version say? Genesis 2:24. Therefore, Einti shall a man leave his father and his mother, and shall cleave unto his wife, and they shall be one flesh. Cleave. What in fam abata. I said this some time ago. There are a lot of men that got married. They left home, but they are yet to cleave to their wives. There are a lot of women. Emma bebre, and our worry come and dear, what free ne mamma ne papa. Then so that's who krum. Onufie. He is a bachelor husband. She is a sphinter of a wife. Because I worry we want to me and ya the name for four. It was the Soya boys into Obana worry no. A beer Obana Kwana can if you're not Bemanity Abontin, our Bontin throughout. Our Bontin throughout too. Bema be worry or worry, you know. Worry all right, but on the crowd you're free. So this morning we're looking at questions that can transform your marriage if answered. Please check the answered. Answered sincerely. Questions. And some be sabi abet me asesa ya warrior say ye no no kremua. The doorso, and today I'll take my time. I told you that this time around you pick your paper and your pen. Because I don't come here to preach. I come to teach. I come to exhort. Sometimes to rebuke. By grace. Amen. Eddie kind. Me say, you remember baby, oma worry and so omun free on mama no papa nchen. Enti nyabia sem say, therefore shall a man leave his father and mother, and cleave unto a woman, and they shall be one flesh. No, wawario. Rex or the aboni din ya wedding ya bibi as what that's it if you. Why am I saying that? He's a baby husband. Everything I was so corny. Only the year create take decision. I just saw corny papa hokobusa. Just saw corny mami hokobusa say. It was 3 bars and come up here with you know. Then Kabibia, ya summer was say, and come in New Year, and so Marcy. That's it. It's why you can't say daddy's little girl, mommy's little boy. Oh, you need that. Listen, baby, I can say, therefore shall a boy. Please put it back there. Therefore shall a boy, another Rexford. Or say, therefore shall what? A man. So marriage is for men, it's not for boys. He will be already 30 years, he's still a boy. Because the mind is not grown, he's not matured. He behaves like a boy. And a difference of somebody called a toddler, baby. No, a new children. You were a teenager. You were a youth. You were adolescent. They are called a man. Obi 25 years, he's a man. Obi 40, he's still a boy. So marriage is not about age. Obi met married at the age of 22. But not dream of be a young girl. A brown person was into tuning near my office and our china. Obi swear the 30 years. The entire warrior, the entire warrior, a bit said he's not still matured. He's not ready for marriage. And if there are so many men who are not ready for marriage, went into marriage, they are creating problems for the relationship. And Janopai, we asking the first question. And I know the question is deep. The first question is this: will your children wish their marriage to be like yours? Matisa, who said school fees is I know pay o super kusu. I said, Bibu sao. O man yini. O man o papa ne mama na tifie. Aware na mo ware no nti ye kobusa o ba se. Enti wunyina. O pese wa ware ye te se o papa ne o mama a. Can the children say when I grow up, I want my marriage to be like my father and my mom? Abra every day, morning, afternoon, evening. Atwedia na ekoso ofie ho no. Abra anopa bia no. Chese papa yi si osi maami so na po. Eti ankola ni nyina no. Wo mu di ya wo mu yam because every blessed day their mother is being battered. Every blessed day their mother is being insulted. Every blessed day the omu wan say wo mu maami ebuo pa di buo papa ni bi ma no. Ofre no ne kasa asa maami no waye dai wakubdi pa oba na wutie me oba warefo enti wo ba ebetimi pa gina wo se me pese me nyini dachi a ma ware ye te se me maame me nuaba wa na obetimi yi ano me kase me yi ano ama osisi a na me yotrofo enti me busa biewo be say enti wo ba will your children wish their marriage to be like yours. And next me no me busa na me pesa wa yi ano sincerely obia ni utrim wonko na wo maame ne da papa ne da mo amunyi ano
Sompa 93.1.
ye fra wo ba the microphone tuana no so on kasa wo TV so say would you love to see your marriage like that of your father and your mother? Yes. Kwasiada ebe eye Father's Day me boa papa ne busa o wawari ya woni wo jire no ware wo fie no nkola ni so to the extent say they are so happy say omo papa Father's Day ombenya ni je kra afafo na wo hye no ana e wo so oye because obi eye no oye bieba anigye ni. Number 2, is your marriage preaching to the people around you?
93.1.
If you are multi compound house, community amowo. Ono yiri treke na mu twam a den sem na nkofo ka omachi. If you are cry no, mu kwa adwuma ba na mu radem a den sem na nkofo ka omachi. Omo mu no omo bo fipam no, omo betima ka se papa we dear. Ye o ma ware ya kono ana obitimi ka se me le papa we kura nti ya ware de me konkura no maami we nti maami otimi twobo ni kunu sei maami we bi o mu ni kunu sei oya ni niam basa ni pa twa ho ahia no e your time there e different na omo ene otie Senior Mowari, you said Paul Kasem was it. We are an epistle being read by many. Yes, and never bit Mrs. C. Our Nipa Babum. Na Eddie our Jayaba. Omoya Hoshi and Ye. I was there on Muntamuan at it. It is there. I dare be any we are CBN.
93.1.
It is there. But everybody try as much as he or she can to avoid it. Then so in the midst of it, no, mutimu no, nipa wa bonting, eni mu bofi pam, eni mu wasafumu, betimi akase. Is your marriage preaching to the people around you? Can they say, oh my goodness? Ebi wako obi betimi akase, papa we dear. Ne yirinye. Nanso so me nyina me worry to send your papa worry even though niema bebre koso papa mama ni krunye
3.1
ni krunye ma nyina nkoye nanso so me de me a young girl me stressing and mommy upon all that the husband is doing or bread once a year. I want my marriage to be like that. Can your marriage attest to that fact? Number 3, a very crucial question. A very, very crucial question. Mawari ne. But about 10 years, 15 years. Will your spouse be willing to marry you again if given the opportunity to remarry?
Sompa 93.1.
Will you any ukunu? Si ama more kwan so omo marry biewa. Will they choose you? Opportunity abase. Munyiran chain. Mame. Sawa review. Papa, on one abeware. Papa, Mammy or Drahui. Sakwenya Basse, Yagua Wariano. Emrabia Bagana say, Obia Waribe 3-5 years. Yayen contract. Ebi mo si anya ware kra contract.
Sompa 93.1.
After 5 years no, ye no. Bi busao. Ye kasa ware ukunu biwa. Wo de anije ba kobam no. Ana be se Sompa boa na de ahye. Bema. Se kasa ware wo yiri biewa. Wo de anije be ba wo nsam so metom. Ana ye kan ya. Aye say TikTok bi na ababa wa bi say ne kunu auto ade bi na de ato basket ni auto e na atom be ma oba ne se uye auto na antoma. I'm not going to talk to you for 2 weeks. I feel fat orange now no ato
Sompa 93.1.
just ono a T by force so the be ya ni kasa no 2 weeks ba ku bi so ana me hwe o say honey look at that guy. He's so happy. And I say, why? Who is he? I say, oh, my guy, my ex-boyfriend. He broke up with me. I feel now I can see why he is happy. I feel the who did tell the Niagara. That's what I want to do. I can find the ever. But sister, who kunu? And then I want you to answer sincerely. See a kasa sa worry sa obanwa wona na worry fie duna. Will you jump and embrace her? Will you jump and embrace him as a husband? You can answer sincerely. If it is not, then you need to check some things. Number 4, is God happy and glorified about your marriage? Sande nyankopon e twene kon anase nyankopon e de pen ne paper beto se o make mo a. Can you say oh me de nyame ani aso na ni agye ma ware ho pa. Minim se praise bi nyuma o se ade bi a meye asem bi a meka o se nka me busa se eye Christopher na asetra woni o yire ti wo fie sisi a meka sai. Eti se nyame tetewa anti kade wodi oba ne namu no kade ne befam. Eti ka Kristo be pie gate na no anti kade wodi ye be men ka betum dia ye no. Is God happy and glorified about your marriage? Number 5.
Sompa 93.1.
Is your marriage a blessing to your spouse or a source of bitterness? Near people say no pay say oba ukoware no it has become a source of blessing say or the nijie otini kunu kakra na wose agu no ana abeye yaudie nko ase ne wanunu wo so ware wo why so bitter ama na ho ofe kra no nanimu kusa urafia oni anije osevu ma waduane di oni uda na nso abeya mememfe because ene ya na wodi ne tifie oba ne ya na woni be ma no tifie nti enije pa de enije oni bi mibusa say aware no, is it a source of blessing to your spouse or a source of bitterness? Oba bi wo ha sisi ya no enye se ne timu adi onko benya kranka ne kunu ntiase be ma bi benya kranka oba no. Is it a source of blessing to your spouse or a source of bitterness? Number 6. Since you are married to your spouse, if he's a worry or bano, is his or her life better than you met him or her? Worry no enfie dudi na braba kwanimu anana braba tete apansam ono abetuma dia dance se a bema waye de obetumi se bema Maybe I'm yana me yon nibri for
Sompa 93.1.
and I may pahunya dear be a broso. Some people go into marriage with certain kinds of expectation. They want to get rich overnight. It's one in the Krukosas, Brabuasino, or no dear, or person yan hotam overnight. It's a drew maybe and few me, so officer Beman and Wano. Obi o to me jab Beman and Kolan Honoko. Bema bi so ho wari obano akwadro enti wa ma oba na onware ye no ono aye na dwuma enema koye one na wo bienu miensa anwumre bi oba obepe match ene wo ugu ho ono so onye adwuma enti oba no eware ye no wa ye te se Naomi o free Jerusalem akọ na o ye kama ọkọ mo abasase so a wo ba osimo mfrɛ me Myra onwuno na nyame ni man ni ye onwuno oba bi ware ye na nim fefefe na okohunu a onyare so ontiapo na brabo nyina ye basa bema bi oware no kwadro bema bi oware no ne ya o se no oba bi akofa ne betra fio ama bema ni asumdwe ni ahotonti abrabo no obo no kra wo so akwa adwuma we am dia yina di because only peace enti ontimi performing ni apamo no obi adane kowensani wa warem because asumdwe ni fie and oba no so nam no ogu nanimu ase oba no kro na o ma na asumdwe no baba me tie me wo kra wanim fefefe kra o dress kama and won fa nye hu no asate wensa a wanim nyina atwa nsa whatever thing every so worry oba no nebusaw no worry bema no has his or her life become better than you met him or her? Number 7. No mean fancy. When last did you deliberately appreciate your wife for the sacrifice he or your husband she had made in this marriage? Ya wonipa bebre o ma waria wo mo ye boni ayefo number 1 oni ni krunya problem kitwa bi ade no ayama me ade no ayama oni ni yirenya problem a ohu de so mfaso emfie duni wo bai no aduane anopa se kitchen ni nsam nyira bobo nchiche wo si uniama o wo me wo bed star bia bi wu yi no wa won kwara makumakum ensama. When was the last time I would pay about timber a crowd yani? Business na me koye ni kwa cash kwa kakra banti J1000 too. And I said that kwa bia okosisa $200 bi e ma hu dollars anu hu. She san sabia say $100 bi also here 10 million kwa o dey o say $100 so but say no be 10 million na di jement. When was the last time o say Annie today I don't want you to cook. I want to take you out, you and the children. So want to me cry that ben coffee. Only me no cry that catch on say me dofo. So men shiawa.
Sompa 93.1.
Muwa we hear mumpono you are appreciating. Don't wait to get rich and buy car. Na your fan face say we are seeing na amehwa we yire. Oya ne sa ho. Na ni kura nso. Obasire woni pamu ba de oya ne dem ne de oya no. Inside no sa show na wo ye no wo pese amanfo unso anya sika na wo paso atoka ma wo yire na enso so asetra wo ne oba ne tene na ninye so me busa when did you deliberately wo said that pass me yire me yadai me appreciate no. Don't wait for Mother's Day, don't wait for the birthday and san waka say oba we there and na me koye ni bibi obusa awade ketoa bi hwese ne wasi amuna ne kasa bi a wo ka kire no chese ase onye ni pampo miwa sa young girl no wa bontene ho no hey Obusa send the phone I say and run kwa what to new one amano. O yire a phone. Your friend Yam. And a tie some bomb. Oh, friend, on us on Tiana was helpful. Your phone I will use. Your phone our girlfriend be used. Obana or Shan Kwalani will feel come amount. Or to tune the phone, what done the repairer at once. To tune the phone on once to say, and son what they receive a call. And yet, oh no, I'm on Sana with this show. Me say, Nebusa, when last did you deliberately appreciate your spouse for the sacrifices? Hebi brawarim, okuno, obu anu man kwala no nti, atade anko betimi atoye na kono kwala nti wonto, entuma bi ko betimi frebi. Hairstyle banko betima yebi that man modern it will ban all of a sudden it meant to ayat kwa and just want to be more life. Oh, I feel in my spirit some women are crying. I feel in my spirit some men listen to me this morning, they are crying. Dear me, when last did you deliberately decide, say, let me appreciate my woman? Would you be an from so kwana unu? The woman I am from so quiet to on your papada. And no pay. I want to take you through some exercise. For pen. So over to me I try. Now sign. Good. Natural bad. Now list all the bad things about your wife or your husband. And list the good things about your wife and husband. Now we are over who say, hey, tell me ye. Me who say nye, nenso say wa boa me pa. Me kuri. The beer, the me we negative, say or positive, scratch and negatives. Ye ninka yentra. Unyame mwao. Don't shout. Then now chi of for one sisi. Echna, the babe twaso. E wo Yesu demo. Amen. Hello, body and was see. I want pepper so dear. Ejuma ko bi so yasene. Mame bobo so tem na membra homa so ene. I really want married couples. But I am saying this for married couples. Me pesa ware for ne frɛ. Enti we a young man a wo de tie bi. Na wo so fa ba obra. But omo be frɛ no be di dwuma no eye omo ma ware a. Omo e baby a ware for 5 years, 10 years e ko. Eni edi san komo no. Kids and Teens World so yasene. I'm here the food for thought. Ebra. Na mesrewa oba no ntade ma ne hia. Akwada na ho siesie ye wani munyam o. Kan ne so oba tin yin ani munyam ene atwam. Ene oba ho siesie. Once I dress oba na de ni pi kura akone fofo na
3.1.
Enu nti paboa no akwada ne paboa no abie na ne ntade ne ade na maame bi o ha obo life na so ne ma ho atete awurade nyame. Kids and Teens will trail. Kwala ya won ne kopim fie dunsia. Omo ntade nyina ye krado trail. Omo toys omo di agro e sa kire omo ade. E dia wo no baby ne milk emfa milk nom ne hwan nyina da. Omo court akese nketwa. Double cord for twins ni nyina wo ho. Baby diapers awodo pampers nom all kinds. What the audience audio on your chair do me and lava shop in training. I think I Johnson so Kasi Kwaso. Now we'll call Boo Sabum Kuma didn't care toss me back to Regina and beautiful young ladies named Rante or Moya Crab or Miss Sissy or Chikama and never be up so to be and I do so Republic Bank, a Jabba Plaza, any didn't move pair opposite 0244 650074. 0244-650074 and a 0245 241 127. You tell me near break is and teens so I make a child. So to your kids and teens. Now all my food for thought, Danny die, I have a time, a caviar. The bedroom may be some mountain in near ma. Next woman, so much now, no panny a bonum. I am serious. It is a wood food for thought now or banner cotadia, who quite Duma. I was overchilling the whole day, grand who kiss and things are food for thought in tea. Property, electronics, a Tony Sack enterprise, Nediaba. Ghana Hanya, so legends. Now, top property, refrigerator, and a chest freezer, beer. June way, Otoyani Achawadi. Media, promo no chassis. A cooker, blender, microwave oven, washing machine, kettles, iron, maybe beer property, papa. Nasenka Dina Hamilton, Onfa, Nehunim. And ultimately, comfort property, Amawa, Namenia Bre. Quality and affordable. And do Wesley matter is Usania. And the Abesia Melcom, I was on Sabunkum, Ufi Melcom. That's our Froswaka, First Junction, as the Karam country promo, a dining one.
Sompa 93.1.
Mama won't cry, I'm Mutiemi and I'm Oshemi. Open the door support to an opposite who call retailer. Number is 0500 309 309. 0500 309 309. And 0244 266 193. 0244 266 193. And 0508 108 337. 0508 108 337. Franco Enterprise, the home of quality plumbing materials, bathroom sets, apono ahodo. Sa ope pono pa e quality na e affordable na e papa. Would the day ACC what time what's the time we nasa e dan bi wa wo si wi a ho apono no nko atimi se dan na ho fo enya pono bi a de edi o e pono ya to no Franco Enterprise ye wo Turkey bulletproof doors and ye wo Chinese security doors quality ura bathroom a jacuzzi papa bi bathtubs designs ahodo bathroom mirrors bathroom shower curtains any showers ahodo and you may be our bathroom a ye dis say o me ho ya konoma ye nika obo round ma on person obepie I mean your visitors toilet wa hwe basin e ho no mo ne ayi the etna so yi
93.1.
When you nyam nyina ne so obi aba ofi no owura visitors toilet na hoye kama e chese odi huni na visitors toilet na say abuto bibire bi ni ade Franco na me kan for ma ka ho obai the fie onya kono kone kosisa bibia ya wo bofo adu Jackson on the head office oba we Posego Lane adum ye ne Sambra Hotel di hwanimu and a boss dan na wo Wesley Matadi so yepa e dan etwaso oba hu ye ho for 0551 011 770 0551 011 770 and 0551 011 767 and 0551 011 767 and 0201 726 999 0201 726 999. So the number is 0551 931 931 0551 931 931 and a 0548 931 931. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Sompa 93.1.
Aha, Pacho Henry.
Uncle Man Pacho Bafo.
Okay, Bafo Wari.
But Uncle Mama Wale.
Mammy too.
Uncle Man, Yamishira, and a message is very powerful. Uncle Man, I didn't make Wally before Summer Wally. I didn't make HM who say, me Mama Wally must and Tommy Papa and my name. Me Momu Sinkunya or my Wale who da. Never know be I say. The name said you take a man, I think take my
93.1.
But me, one more, the Mamma Wale, asema ko to busufo no mo atan wo sinkonya da na tambia me frame ya me ka say sweet see that me thought ya me shiraw because me ko school na me here in school as me quantify the mere ya any scabitu school mu na me dey any so se me dey mitua no ti me nya hwe o man ka ma me nya hwe ma no teme bona ba so audio ye ho anko ma me shiraw
ya me shiraw ba fo ya me shiraw. Hello, good morning. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Sompa 93.1.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, sir. But your idea. Oh. Hello. Hello.
Boakye
Me ba your idea.
but your education
Education. Mami chiwa no pay.
Papa fi na Omanhene anopen so yeda wase. Mami sire na bompa ye fama no fa se momi. Omanhene o se wo na wo bompa ye mana ne ho beto na kra na nsan ne ho mfa no kra. Nko daroma aya kai momi o ti bo ho sasa o ko su wo lai.
Mate.
Na Omanhene anopen yeda wase se ye wo ka. Ke awofo anase mate bi bre Omanhene. Obi beba shop pa senka obetompa bo akora hye. No hu ne bade oziedi manunya amento akora ne de no na me de oti ase enti omudi wo mabra bo no mu bibia hwe enkola no na emema no so sebe ye nam na oturu bia to brako nam a wato no wadwe okofi no akoda te se aya wrahusem enti anope ye de wase emema no ye sremo enkosua no mo na moto enti se epaye a munhwe se ebenyini na ayefe na yenua ma no ne yeyere no omo bre Omanhene anope ma me wife ni abaso oba anita amponsa dodo na friend dikiewa o kira de ahinkro anope ma no na abaso na obehwe abaya fefe bi pa wa wo ne de ama me Omanhene akwa ne se seme no what you say
eno anu no awa semu ba. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir. Uncle Mike.
Me pa your idea.
I'm part of your family. Nkonia.
Mami chiwa no pay.
Uncle Mike. Bompa ma pa na ko pon sha.
That's
it. Ni nya sanya me dia ma le so. Na fe so boy pa. Ini na no me ma no obi ho no ma. Na yede bi ma na ya wu. Na asla ya so ma no so me ma no so ye bi ma ya so ya nhwe. Enyina ya ne fe ho afi. So yede bi ma wa so dana fe. So na
you see, even when we are Bema cry now, say thank you, dear. Obama so Bema no what David. Adia call home when I watch it. We are thank you, Annie. Appreciation. Oh, we can. Yeah, no, I don't know what to. And no, baby, no. Awesome. Hello, good morning.
Alright.
Yes, sir.
Baje.
May you so when you
We de wa oba wo pass wa de nyam.
Yo, mami too.
Ma ada pe de men ga se nyame shirawo. Nyame shirawo no timi ni nyane nke kire papa de bia me de ma ese di sia. Ma na wale ameko aka 1 year na menye 10 years.
Wow.
Me ame papa boli bi no ja wale ma me. Eji ma wale up to now me busu ni bia mbemu. Me yire busu ni bia mbemu. Ya fa ya sam so nkwa abonti. Ya ka se minya da fo maka kuma so ma kiro.
Okay.
Ya se de muna ya kunta kwa na ya wakwa na oba ni abu. Koko ya ni ayaka. Ya wale nzane je.
Hello, I'll call it, baby. You're picking at that special. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho, I need.
Like I say. Oh, yeah.
Pacho, me and you.
Mr. Tafik. Also, in the class.
Okay.
Also, as much as the crap, I want to put you and to conserve a moi. And try say a better of us. ama yidi akoso kama. That's a pa.
Mate. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Pacho Omanhene.
Pacho, Obase weni.
I don't know, Obase. Why sir?
Mede zenga. Ye chicha wa dem ne say renewal for the mede. Dame worry bi. Fi se men worry bi fi say.
Ye nka say worry bi o me se be ma na on ne worry no. Ye se sa worry bi an ka be worry ono a.
Na me say nka men worry bi. Na me.
Ka worry no kran ka worry bi.
Me kran ka me virgins me romantic community.
Hey, I said, well,
easy, Omanhene.
Sompa 93.1.
What's in Mammy singing? I say, Mammy singing, I say, what
is a baby husband.
Easy. Omanhene, the sister, but the master,
Nametiasi. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Hello, Andrew.
Good morning. TV no call for man radio, no why?
Hello, Uncle, good morning.
Morning, Pacho Omanhene.
Pacho, a friend of mine, make a separate book of messages.
You offer my interview.
Hello. Omanhene, I mean, na anyone you mapa, we are the idea.
Amen.
Sompa 93.1.
Maybe if you had you knew in Mawari 36 years.
Wow.
Now, another watching in Crown, you mupana media. And coming by Bonnet, Cabana, the other one, and going your papa to tell me many.
Oh,
Now, I'll be our lemon.
Mary, I don't pay you now.
One album fire, I am by Richard the Bear, I didn't have them all by
36 years. Wow. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Papa.
Pacho Omanhene.
Sompa 93.1.
Papa.
Yo, Afrakuma me interview no pay.
Papa, I'm in show. Osama Wakana, the same thing that me name. The same thing. The way I see one me punupa. So, what me like as me, menya shame,
Just appreciating your way, and then son your way.
Daddy, at the end of fear, cry by shot, dear, Pia. 1 year to walk around me for so may be a mouth. Somebody afraid my baby be a demand, so be better 3 years them. And so dear may be ano, and anything. It is a cry.
Sompa 93.1.
I miss you. We died in a miss you, sir. Daddy, I mean, come on, Papa. That's it.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Pacho, I know what you're radio no kakra.
Matia, I don't pay the first ring. I mean, she had the more. They are working. Free show. Now, someone okay. I need him to rent you one of them. Meeting of one some more. I dear me, me, and I said, dear me, your mammy. Bet me a cassette will pick. I said, Bema Gia, warrior. On to know about Patrick, the mama, Ampof.
Sompa 93.1.
Many want to look when the more money in today because the way in three minimum grand committee. Oh, my minimum grand committee.
Amen. Hello, good morning.
Hello, Oma.
Yes, sir. Pacho Omanhene.
Uniakuma, Christoph's adult education.
Christoph, my Vintiano pay.
But the PK is so I hear I'm not a papa in this way. But the third point, you know, but kind of heard it. Third point, you know.
Sompa 93.1.
Also, our worry and I say, yeah, ma, a bit music as they'll marry safe, and I'm what. A serious because the way a man be a share a man and a yano. Now, Rona Mahu said, Papa, Yakade. TV so I worry and I worry no, and so come home. Our TV so on your dad.
I think that is the first point. Will your children wish their marriage to be like yours?
Aha. Good. Okay. TV so I worry na odo umwa. Na be ma no di gate ma oba no na od na focus. So the women thought they have that perception there.
Telenovela no. Obi wa watra ho a oba bi otimi hwe telenovela sa oba fi e was send kunu ye ne sa. Now ayi Mexico for the Philippines for aware Ghana aware. Hey
Papa
asembedi.
I don't know what I know.
It every day be I was off in afro one fin afro unya romantic. Ogoshia be be our practices and man obe we are this here.
Papa, expectation no a man the worry no. Yeah, na you overwhelm me. So if they come and they don't see it like that.
But member no say any romantic kakra. Charlie, okay. Yeah. E member ni bi so ye bari dudu.
Yes, yeah. Papa, yes, yeah. And then cancer. Papa, the fear say we mama pay now come kissing one nipe mo a. Shen someone nipa grab the back.
I know the idea omonka. So, let me pick the last call. Hello, good morning. Hello. Hello. Oh. Hello. Oh, okay, I'm picking the last person. Hello, good morning.
Hello, man.
Me pacho, family why? Mami too.
I mean, sure, with my dear Modi.
I mean, also.
I am a just be. Then you understand me now. I 3.1 bad to say our info. I can't man one day. That's not man. The casa our remo and the pan, they are meeting my casa or bar with Bama Brabum. The man now to so barrier and Kawaremu any problem. Obey the same, may know about it now with my mammy, you know. In film, no need confiance here. Even though my account, my bank account, and I can friend them. Then be a hopeful by for him, I make a show by Janu, Mancino. And so, Obama, I know what I can say, only men want to be. And so, Uja, the name terms 6 months, who from a coffin, or my could you believe that within 2 months, let me got 3,000 on my account.
Sompa 93.1.
Oh my God.
You got 3,000 on my account.
Ototonia my yemau.
Oh, man. Just a make my bomb between the four. I plan to say. As I come, the beer to 2 years, come here, my account to control.
There be no day, I would try Minia.
Timmy, meet you, can I say?
I'm in 2 for Timmy.
Meet you.
It is too early. Take my advice. Take your time. But when it comes to finance, take your time and build it up to a point. BBR, person demand be a farmer, but your account, hold it to yourself.
Sompa 93.1.
Thank you very much. God bless you. Abusianfo, yeah, Daniel Huaba. Yami Shao say on here tonight. Go Facebook. Sompa 93.1. Now in some America, and they are do office now. All relax here. Sa go through it. YouTube. Oba connect da ho. And tieni sa asa utie ya na etwem. Sa ko bio. Na sa tie bio. Radio no